Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we fix the web page not available error in our Windows system. Now this could be occurring in any browser, be it Chrome, Firefox or Internet Explorer, and the way to fix this error is same for all the browsers. So let's just dive right into it. So for this, what you need to do is go to your search bar and search for control panel. Now when this control panel is brought up, make sure the view by is set to category. When it is set to category, you will get something like this. In this, go to network and internet. In the network and sharing center, the first option that we have is view network status and tasks. So let's just click on to this, and then you need to click on this connections. So in the connections, the internet that you are connected to would be shown. Just click on that. And here you will see the properties button. So let's just click. In the properties, make sure you locate the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Once you have clicked on it, make sure its box is checked and click on properties. In the properties, just select the use the following DNS server address, and for this just change it to 8 dot. There would be a dot, and in the second column again put an 8. In the third column again an 8, and in the fourth column again an 8. Then for the alternate address, you can just click on 8, 8, 4 and 4. And now when you click on OK, then these changes would be applied and the issue would have been fixed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.